What is up, everybody? My name is Shanique and I got what you need, baby. I'm just gonna get into this fox eye look real quick. This is like honestly my third time or fourth. No, this was my fourth time recreating the fox eye look. I did it like 2 or 3 other times on Instagram. If you follow me on Jean Angel XO on Instagram for that look. My other times trying to do it. This is my last time trying to do it, and I actually filmed it this time. I've tried to do the fox eye not 20 different ways, but each time I did the fox eye I did it a different way. So I just did it a totally different way today. I actually added black liner too, but yeah, and I did the half cut lashes. So if you want to see how I created this look, I actually didn't use a lot of shadows either to create this look. So yeah, if you want to stay tuned for that, see how I created this fox eye look. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and deuces. So welcome to my easy fox eye makeup tutorial. First off, I'll be priming my eyelids with the I Am Magic concealer in the shade 13, and also have it underneath my eyes also. And then I'm just patting that in before I go in with the Jackie AINA ABH Collab palette, taking the shade Credit and putting it into my crease, and then I blend it out with a fluffy brush. These two brushes, they're both from wish.com. They have no identifications or numbers on it. They're just unidentifiable brushes from wish.com, to be honest. But this is the fluffiest brush that I do own. I'm just blending it until my arm pretty much falls off. And this eyeshadow right here, it's actually more pigmented than usual, since the previous brush that I used to pat it onto the eyelid, it was actually a little wet with alcohol. So this color turned out to be deeper and a little bit more richer than usual. And this is, believe it or not, this is the same eyeshadow that I used in my last video, the one eyeshadow red lip look. And I'm just blending and blending this eyeshadow until I feel like my arm is about to fall off. And I was blending this shadow for a minute. Well, not a minute, but I was blending it for a long time. I was blending it for about 5 minutes. I was blending it for a while. Oh my god. So, and I usually do eyeshadow before foundation, but today we were really doing things differently. And then I'm taking my finger and blending out everything from this eyeshadow. I don't have like a dry shadow, so I just, a brush, so I use my fingers instead to blend out everything. And then I'm taking this goldish green pigment from the same palette. It's called JUVIA'S, and just putting it into my inner corner. And then I'm just blending out my concealer. Now this concealer, I have to pretty much blend it out and like extend it towards towards the top of my ear pretty much for this fox eye look. And I'm going to set it also with a black opal powder. It's pretty much the neutral light powder, number 200, the black opal translucent powder. And I'm pretty much going to set today actually, really, I said set. I'm going to set my concealer, but I'm also going to be baking it, to be honest. Like, I honestly really baked that day. I usually don't bake, but that day I baked. And I'm going to set my smile lines also. And now back to the eyeshadow. So I'll be taking this black eyeshadow from the Morphe 3502 palette and pretty much just patting it onto my outer V, starting from the middle of my eyelid up towards the tail of my eyebrow. And then it's like I'm pretty much doing a cat liner, but I'm using eyeshadow instead, black eyeshadow instead. Then I'm blending that out with this brownish gray eyeshadow from the same palette. Now I'm just blending it out a bit. Then I'll be taking those two eyeshadow brushes that I previously used, and I'll be blending it way more, so I don't have too much harsh lines or anything. The point is that the outer V color has to be darker than the inner V portion of the eye, or the other half of the eye, pretty much, I would say. Then I'm taking this liquid liner from LA Colors, and I'm just making my cat eye, starting from the middle to the end. And I'm trying to make the line as small as possible also. And here I am, just starting to put on my lipstick, put my lip liner. First of all, I overlined my lips a little bit. Shoot, I think I cleaned it up right after. But yeah, right now it does look messy and my lips look chapped. But yeah, I have all the details too for these products down below. And now I'm just contouring with this powder contour and covering out these cheeks. And yes, honey, I actually forgot to film myself putting on the highlighter. I think I use Milani Day Glow, because you know that's my tried and true. But then I'm taking this powder by Fenty, you know, and then, you know, just taking off that excess powder. Then the blush. I usually do not wear blush, but I'm starting to get into blush now. Like, I've always had this blush, this e.l.f. quad blush. I've owned it for years, but I barely used it. Well, it does break easily. And now this is actually how I cut my lashes for this fox eye look. So I have to get wispy lashes first of all. And now I'm trying to place the lash onto my eyelid so I can get an idea as to where I would want it to like start and end, I guess. And now I'm going to cut it to see, yeah, when I'm just going to cut it from, I guess, the placement test. So I'm going to cut it 2/3. Well, I'm going to cut 1/3 of it. And then I'll have 2/3 of the eyelash left. And I'll be using 2/3 of that wispy eyelash and to put it on my lash. And then that's pretty much my fox eye look. And in the next clip, I actually say, oh, I don't think this is a fox eye look. I don't think I did that great. It actually does look like a fox eye look. I don't know why I thought I didn't do that well with it, but that's what it looks like. I was fine. And that's the look. We're back again with the final look. I cut the lashes up. I don't know if I look like a fox per se. I don't know, I was taking photos on my phone on Instagram and everything. This was just my rendition of the fox eye. I tried the half lash thing. I don't know if I look foxy enough. Just put in the comments if you think I do or not. I tried, okay, y'all. I tried. I don't know. I tried, y'all. But thanks so much for tuning in. This is my fox eye makeup video. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Of course, I fixed my lips. You know, I actually went and like blended it more, the lip liner with the lippy. This is an amazing lip combo. I love this lip combo. I'm going to keep using it, honestly. I just love the way it looks right now. So thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me at JeanAngelXO. And thank you so much for tuning in, juices.